All right, Bassoons, let's take a look at line 35. This is a surprise symphony. Now this song is kind of split up into two pieces, what we call a theme and a variation. The theme being the melody, or kind of what we would sing to the piece of music. The variation, if you know that term, means that it's just a variation. You can still hear the theme, you can still tell it's the same song, but you can notice what they've done is basically they've added in a bunch of eighth notes, right? You're actually gonna be playing the same notes in the variation, but again, rhythm will be different. Okay, so let's look at the theme first, the first line. Okay, just quarter notes and half notes, all right? So let's count and clap that. Again, just the variation, top line. 1, 2, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, pretty straightforward. You have like 6 quarter notes in a row, then a half note, right? Okay, so now let's check out notes. First of all, key signature, B flats and E flats. And we almost have lots of arpeggios happening here, right? Okay, so let's see if we can say and finger just again the theme. 1, 2, say it. B flat, D, D, F, F, D. E flat, C, C, A, F. B flat, D, D, F, F, D. C, C, A, B flat. So again, lots of skips, again, almost like arpeggios. Okay, let's try it. Just that theme. 1, 2, ready? So now that's the theme. Again, you're going to hear that again in the variation, just with different rhythm. So speaking of rhythm, let's count and clap the variation. That's going to be the second and third lines there. Okay. Now be careful. Okay. They do kind of change the rhythm up with the placement of the eighth notes. Okay. So make sure you're kind of looking ahead and not going just on autopilot. Also in the third line, watch out. You have a surprise of a rest. So make sure you don't count in there. Okay, let's see if we can count and clap the variation, the rhythm for the variation, lines 2 and 3. 1, 2, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you kind of feel those moments where all of a sudden they put kind of 2 groups of eighth notes right after each other. Those are kind of those moments to be careful about, right? Okay, but again, we're playing same notes. They just kind of have extra eighth notes. So let's see if we can say and finger now our variation. Same skips, same notes, just different rhythm. 1, 2, say it. B flat, B flat, D, 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 F, 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 D. E flat, C, 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 A, F. B flat, D, 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 F, D. C, 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 A, B flat, B flat. All right, I'm gonna play for you the variation. 1 and 2 and ready. All right, guys, have fun with the surprise symphony.